Question 5 of the exercise says in this given figure 6.43, PQ is perpendicular to PS. That's why we have this symbol here. PQ is perpendicular to PS. PQ is parallel to SR. So PQ is parallel to SR. Angle SQR is 28 degrees, this angle. Angle QRT is 65 degrees. QRT 65 degrees. Then find the values of X and Y. So X is this angle here and Y is this angle here. So what we'll do is we'll first find the value of X, and the way we'll do that is we'll make use of the fact that this whole angle at Q, which is PQR, and this angle at R, which is QRT, these two angles are equal because they are a pair of alternate interior angles. That will enable us to find X, and once we have X, then we will apply the angle sum property in triangle PQS because two of the three angles would be known, so we can find the third angle, which is Y. So let's use this reasoning. So we have angle PQR is equal to angle QRT. This is because these angles form a pair of alternate interior angles on PQ and ST as parallels, and this line, this segment QR as the transversal. Alright, so this means that now what is PQR? PQR, this whole angle, is actually the sum of two angles. It is the sum of X and 28 degrees. So PQR can be written as X plus 28 degrees, and this is equal to QRT, which we know to be 65 degrees. So X is simply 65 minus 28, which is equal to 37 degrees. So we found the value of X. Now let's apply in triangle PQS. In triangle PQS, let me highlight it for you. P, Q and S. So this is the triangle that we are considering now. We will apply the angle sum property in this triangle. So apply angle sum property. So the sum of the three angles, so angle P plus the angle at Q, which is angle PQS, and the angle at S, which is angle PSQ, the sum of these three should be 180 degrees. Now angle P, this angle is 90 degrees. So 90 plus angle PQS is this angle, which is X, which is we have found as 37 degrees, and angle PSQ is actually write this as Y because angle PSQ is Y, and this is equal to 180 degrees. So 90 plus 37 is 127. So Y is equal to 180 minus 127, and this is equal to 53 degrees. So the answer to question 5 is that the value of X is 37 degrees and the value of Y is 53 degrees. And that solves question 5. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.